Welcome to this short video on how to calibrate your pH meter. Due to the nature of pH measurement, regular calibration checks are very important to ensure your readings remain accurate. If possible, we would recommend you carry out this process prior to each testing session. It's also important that you use buffer solutions which are applicable to your testing range. These are available to order for next day delivery from Klipspringer at pH 1.68, 4, 7 and 10. In this particular example, we are using Klipspringer's Ebro PHT 810 meter, which has a detachable electrode, and we'll be using buffer solutions 4 and 7, which would typically be used for products at the acidic end of the pH scale. We recommend you use around 30 milliliters of pH buffer solution for each test. The electrode we are using is a P17 surface electrode. This is highly popular across the food industry, particularly for dairy and high protein products, as it has a Teflon junction, which is really easy to keep clean for maximum accuracy. Before calibrating, ensure the electrode is clean, using cleaning solution and a non-abrasive tissue if necessary. Switch the unit on and place the electrode into your first pH buffer solution. Press the cal button, then select the product temperature using the up and down arrows. Next, change the number of calibration points to 2 using the up and down arrows again. Confirm this by pressing cal. Cal 1 will be displayed. Press cal again to confirm. Begin calibrating by stirring the electrode in the buffer solution. When the display shows OK and changes to cal 2, remove the electrode and dry it using a soft paper towel. Rinse the electrode in distilled water to ensure that the readings that you get from the buffer solutions are accurate and not contaminated. You may need to leave the electrode in the distilled water for around 20 to 30 seconds. Place the electrode into the second buffer solution and again press cal. Once the display has changed to OK, the calibration is complete and you can remove and dry the electrode again. The unit automatically switches to measurement mode and is ready for you to test your first product. Remember to ensure the buffer solution is only used once and that this is disposed of after use. If you have further questions on this process or would like help selecting the right pH measuring equipment for your application, reach out to our technical team on 01473 461 800 and we will be more than happy to assist.